ito na yung area. Dito tayo sa Q Square. Nagturo ni Manong Guard. Tapos dito ilo-loading. Natin. Yan, binalik yung bangka. May gamit. So yan guys, pinauwi ko muna yung sakyan dahil sobra yung lugar. Balik na lang. Sige ba? Okay na, balik na lang. Sige.
Mr. Peter Alphonse Shongko.
Maybe call one of his cousins, Jacob de los Santos.
Moving on to our next host, Mr. Victor Panuelos. Up next is Mr. Benz Pastolero. Palakpakan naman po natin ang 18 roses natin.
Up next, one of her friends, Jairus Teka. Leslie Jairus.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You like me having to touch. I wanna hold you so much. Our lives have arrived, and I think God.
Happy birthday, Jessie. Today marks an important milestone in your life. You're now officially an adult. With this comes new opportunities, new challenges, and yes, more responsibilities. As I've told Angel before, there will be moments when you'll have to make decisions to you. The journey becomes worthwhile. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Every misstep is just another
excited akong dalawa para sa David at Jack Ayman. Sa kwarto sila doon.
Parang isang pelikula, inayaman tayo ng tag-ala, bumabalik sa bawat eksena. Ako at ikaw, wala nang iba. Eksena, ako at ikaw, wala nang iba. Palakpakan naman po.
Yan. Sunod naman sa kanyang treasures, ay isa rin sa pinakamaganda niyang kita na hindi magpapakabog. Ang The Brown Eyes Queen. Si Rita Risky of